Hi and hello, this is a very quick review of Yoshimura's Stain Magic high quality product. It's a stain remover for exhaust pipes, and here we have two pipes of Ducati S2R1000. And you see this pipe is not new, this is a pipe that I already cleaned, and this is the same one, but you can see the color is completely different. And we have also a lot of little stains, debris that got baked onto it from the heat of the exhaust. And I only started this project because on this pipe there were a couple of stains from boots that actually really burned rubber into it. And I used this to remove it. Let me show you how. Here we are. This is our stainless pipe. The product says it only works on stainless, so don't try that on titanium or other materials. This is essentially like toothpaste, just a lot more abrasive. Only on this pack you have some English description. It says clean the surface of dirt and oil when exhaust is cold. This is off, so I already washed it with soap. And then rub the Stain Magic until discoloration is gone, and wipe off the excess and clean it. So very simple. It recommends that you don't get it on your clothes, don't get it on paint, and also especially don't get it on your hands. The first pipe I got it on my hands, it was really not too bad. It's nothing too aggressive, but as my hands are getting a little bit dry from that, let me use gloves. Alright, give it a good shake. This one I had for a long time. I wanted to do something a long time, but I didn't use it, so it separates a little bit. So I would definitely recommend shaking it so it's not too watery. And all you need is quality paper towel. I have no idea what the brand is, but I can link it in the description below. And you really need only a little bit of the product. And let's start here. Woo! Way too much. It's making a mess here. And all you have to do is rub it in. And it's pretty cool. For the baked in stains, it takes a bit longer. Also, it smells not super good, but it's not anything crazy. It's not like gasoline but you get pretty quick results. I don't know how much the camera can pick it up. By the way, this is filmed on a GoPro 8. If you like the video or sound quality, give it a thumbs up. And if not, just leave me a comment. But this is really working here. You can see this is all coming off the pipe. And it really changes the discoloration from the stainless steel of the countless heat cycles. And you probably can start to see it. This is becoming silver again, whereas this more looks like bronze. If you have a couple of really hard stains, especially like I described earlier, the rubber that got burned into the pipe, here we have some smaller ones. I just put a little bit of it, Stain Magic, on a Scotch pad. I will also link in the description below for that. And with that you can just go onto the pipe and just rub it out. Really works great for all the harder stains, anything that's really baked onto the pipe, and you get it really quickly out of it. So just keep working it, right? The old elbow grease, and you should have the pipe clean quickly. For time-wise, I was actually surprised. I thought this would take a good evening of watching a movie or so and cleaning pipes at the same time. But it actually just takes maybe 10 minutes per pipe and you're good. Just wash the pipe off after, use maybe some soap and water, dry it properly, and you should be good to go. Let's have a look. And look at this. You see there's like still a stain. Apply a little more pressure there, and then we should get this all off. Alright, this is now like 10 minutes later. I did a little more scrubbing. I'm almost there. The one stain that I wanted to demo, I actually didn't get out. That's like actually a scratch. But all the other ones look good. So let me clean this up and I will show you the final result. Okay, I just washed it and cleaned it up. And there you have it. It looks pretty good. That little stain is still there. There's like a little bit of effect here. And like these I didn't get fully off, but as see, like both of them have the same color now again, stainless steel. All the discoloration is off and all the burn marks are gone as well. So I can reinstall it back in my Ducati and I'm ready to go. As always, everything is linked in the description below, and if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much and bye.